I will be using Rapidtext AI WordPress plugin to generate search engine optimized article directly from my WordPress post editor. First, add a new plugin by searching for Rapidtext AI in your plugins. Activate the plugin. It is already activated for me. Visit Rapidtext AI settings, click on Authenticate with Rapidtext AI. Log into your account. This will connect your account to your WordPress installation. Then simply create new post, scroll down the article generator meta box. Set your topic. For this example, I am going to set it as the future of remote work in a post-pandemic world, and setting the keywords as future of remote work, post-pandemic workplace trends, hybrid work model, remote work productivity, benefits of remote work, challenges of working remotely, work from home technology advancements, digital collaboration tools. Then select the model through which you want to generate your article. Select your preferred article length, target audience, tone, writing style, references, article structure, internal links or external links. Setting topic and keywords are required, rest of the features are optional. Then hit generate. This will generate your search engine optimized article in your editor. You might need to edit some things such as setting title and removing extra headings or sometimes meta descriptions. Rapidtext AI also offers Chrome extension as writing assistant. You can also do that to get quick help. And for workflow automations, it comes with Zapier integrations as well. Thanks for watching. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel and comment your questions.